Hello dear traders! On the first trading day after Christmas, the main stock indices showed strong performance. Like before the Christmas holiday, IT companies turned out to be the biggest gainers. This time, both the NASDAQ and S&P 500 indices added 1.4%. Dow Jones rose by 1%. However, bear in mind that quite often the stock market goes through a strong downward correction in January. This is why investors should be alert, especially before the end of the year. Now there might be strong swings in any direction. The equity market has again approached its new session highs, posting the 69th record close for 2021. S&P 500 climbed by 25% this year, although the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index for December came out slightly lower, totaling 8.1 versus the November reading of 11.8 points. The sentiment still remains optimistic. Now, futures for the S&P 500 index are trading at a high of 4,791 reached yesterday. However, the index may rise higher today, entering the range between 4,750 and 4,820 points. US dollar is likely to stay flat during the Christmas season. After Christmas, trading activity on forex is rather sluggish. The US dollar index is still trading around 96 points with slight fluctuations. Currently, it's hovering at 96.05 against its main rivals. It's expected to remain in the range of 95.80–96.20. Amid the US dollar's sluggish dynamics, its rate against the Canadian currency declined slightly from pre-Christmas levels and is now drifting near the level of 1.2785. The pair is trading under pressure from higher oil prices that posted solid gains following the US stock market. Yesterday, oil quotes added as much as $2. Nevertheless, the US dollar versus Canadian dollar pair hasn't yet reacted to a strong rally in oil prices. The quotes continue to move in the range of 127.40–128.20. Speaking of Bitcoin, our predictions continue to come true. Buyers failed to break through the upper resistance level and the price pulled back below $50,000. This situation increasingly resembles the May accumulation in the cryptocurrency market. As can be seen, Bitcoin made a similar false upward movement and then began its gradual decline. Thus, Bitcoin is likely to extend losses and approach the level of $48,000. Yesterday's rally seems to have been the last strong movement in the US stock market this year. Nevertheless, investors should be as careful as possible, as unpredictable fluctuations on stock exchanges cannot be excluded. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.